Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
Start by checking device compatibility and basic connections. Confirm your phone runs Android 6.0 or higher and supports NFC. Make sure Wi-Fi or mobile data is on and stable before attempting payments. Open Google Play and update Google Pay plus Google Play services to their latest versions. Restart your phone after updates to apply changes. Verify your Google account is active and signed in inside the app before moving to card and permission checks. Open Google Pay and confirm it is set as the default tap payment app in your Android settings. Check your saved card details, remove the card, and re-add it with exact numbers and billing address. If a card fails, contact your bank to confirm activation and limits on contactless transactions. Clear cache and storage for Google Pay and Google Play services in app settings to remove corrupt data. Reboot the phone after these changes to ensure they take effect properly. Ensure location, NFC, and nearby device permissions are enabled for Google Pay to work reliably. If payments still fail, reset network settings to refresh Wi-Fi and mobile connections on your device. Test payments at another terminal or store to rule out a specific reader issue. Update the phone system software and check for carrier or regional restrictions affecting contactless payments. If problems persist, back up your data and consider a factory reset.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.